sister and my brother-in-law and their baby, my niece Tess, have arrived. And yesterday we arrived in Ibiza after a night sail. It was quite a challenge, especially for my sister and my brother-in-law who got pretty seasick. They're fine now and we are enjoying this nice cala. Renee is in the hammock and my brother-in-law is cooking down below. I just played a game with the girls and we are heading more north tomorrow. It was a bit windy today, so we just decided to hang out here and enjoy ourselves.
Jelly, jelly, jellyfish!
Zeg eens, iets leuks.
Iets leuks.
Als je dubbel hebt, mag je dan twee dingetjes om elkaar leggen. Je hebt gepakt.
Ik heb net gepakt.
From Ibiza to Denia last night, and this night we arrived at noon-ish, and tomorrow Lisanne and Maus will be going home again and taking the car, so we decided to make the best use of having their car for just one afternoon and buy a lot of groceries. It's so much even the camera can't focus. This was run number 1, 3 stores, and now Renee and Maus are heading back to buy even more groceries.
That is where Blue Pearl is in Cala Binneras, I think is what it's called. Where the drumming hippies are. And we're making a stroll through the woods. Not bad at all. And Blue Pearl is right there somewhere. Ibiza. We made it again for the second time. We crossed between islands and it's fun. I was just live on Facebook and now I don't have service anymore. So people were asking how we were doing. So we're doing good. We're having loads of fun. It is a beautiful day. 11, 12 knots of wind, so we're doing 5-6 knots of speed through the water, and it's great. You know, I could really get used to this. Yeah. Cheers. Oh.